27th. Thousands of Thunder Bay students gathered at Fort William Gardens today to see a special performance by a popular francophone musician. Internationally recognized singer and performer Étienne was in Thunder Bay as a special guest of the Lakehead Public Schools to boost the board's French language curriculum and give the kids a French lesson they soon won't forget. Courtney Ketchen reports.
It's fun, it's catchy, but most of all, it's educational. Steven Langlois, better known as Étienne, helps youngsters around the world learn French through song and dance.
I'm a teacher myself, and 17 years ago I realized there wasn't a lot of resources out there that would motivate students, and so what I decided to do was put some music behind the French that we were trying to teach the students, and this is the result now. It just sort of blossomed from there.
The international star combines school curriculums with trendy dance moves and kid-friendly beats to make learning basic French easy and fun. And it seems to be working.
And if you speak French, then you can talk to a whole lot of other people. Yeah, because when you can go to more countries and know what they're saying. It's a nice language and it's really fun. And it's fun if your parents don't know it, because then you can talk to them in French and they know what you're saying.
4,000 Lakehead Public School for French and French immersion students and Étienne fans took in the concert. The goal is to get kids interested in French now so they can become bilingual adults in the future.
We figure this is a good way to get kids motivated to stay in French, and the longer they stay in, the more they learn and the more opportunities they'll have in their life for travel and further studies.
The Windsor-based performer signed autographs and took pictures with adoring fans before leaving town. Courtney Ketchen, TBT News.
And stay with us after the break. Randy Sheffy has sports.